everybody, it's Mrs. Holbrook and of course, Baby Echo. Are you ready to play along and learn some foundations with us? Okay, remember, repeat after me. U up up. O octopus ah. I itch if. E ed eh. A apple ah. And let's do one consonant. M man mm. Nice job. Now let's move our warm up over to our standard cards. A apple ah. B b. E ed eh. G g. I itch I. J j. O octopus ah. Q u queen qu. U up X fox x. Y y. Z z. Very nice job. Now we're going to add some more yellow cards up to our board. So these are called digraphs. And digraphs are when there's two letters on one card and they really stick together. And even though there's two letters, they make one sound. And that's why they're on one card together. They're not separated. So for example, WH will say wah. It doesn't say wah huh, wah huh. Nope, it just says wah. Okay, are you ready to learn some of these digraphs? Here's our first one. SH, ship, shh. You try. TH, thumb. You try. CH, chin, ch. You try. WH, whistle. You try. There's one more. CK, sock. You try. Okay, I'm going to add these digraphs. Let me make my line disappear because I'm going to make a row down here with the digraphs. They go in alphabetical order. So that's not true. First is WH because this only comes at the beginning of words. So we put this one first. We put CK last because it only comes at the end of words. And then we put the others in ABC order. So C comes first in the alphabet, then S, and then T. Now we have our digraphs. You'll be adding these to your Velcro board at home next time we do the boards. But for now, I want to practice them one more time. WH, whistle, w. CH, chin, ch. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb, th. Bite that tongue. CK, sock, k. Nice job, my friends. So there's a special way when we're tapping that we do it when there's a digraph. Normally, each finger is a sound, but if it's a digraph, it's two fingers together showing two letters, but one tap, one sound. Let me show you. Okay, so if you look down here, here's how I would tap that word. A, sh, mash. Let me show you one more time. and then 2 fingers together, sh, mash. You try. Good job, my friends. When we have a digraph, we put one line under the letters to show that it's one sound. So if the word mash was written like this, that's how we would mark it. We'll practice marking words this unit. Okay, I want to have you practice tapping out a few more words. Let's try this one. The digraph is before the vowel at the beginning. Elbows up, let's tap. Sh, I, p, ship, 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 ship. Have you ever been in a ship, a big boat? Okay. S-H-I-P. Let's try another one. Elbows up. I want to hear you tap this out with me. Ash, rash, rash. I hope you don't have a rash. Let's spell it away. R-A-S-H. Okay, I'm gonna put another word up and I want you to try it all by yourself. Okay, use your fingers to tap and try to read the word. What did you say? Very good. This word is chip. Chip. Ooh, do you like to have a chip and dip it in sauce? Potato chips, you know, and dip? Yeah, me too. Okay. C-H-I-P. Nice job, everybody. All right, it's time for us to learn some new trick words. Are you ready? Great. Guys, here's our sentence for our new trick word. Repeat after me. Meg is as tall as I am. Okay, let's remember a sentence starts with an uppercase and ends with a period. So I'll start with my tall frame. Meg is, I'm doing good spaces, as tall as I am. And I'll put my punctuation at the end. Okay, let me go ahead and write it. Capital M for egg is, that's a trick word, as all as I, we make it a capital, am. And then I'm going to end with my period. Okay, let me bring you a little closer here. Okay, Meg is as tall as I am. I'm going to circle this word and this word. Can anyone tell me what I circled? Meg is as tall as I am. Yes, very good. That word is as. I'm going to add it up here to our trick words. As. A-S. As. Okay, let's change this sentence. Let me take these ones down. You ready for my next sentence? Okie dokie. Repeat after me. Tom has 5 pennies. Okay, we need to start with the frame that's tall. Tom has 5 pennies. And I'll put my punctuation and I'll write it out. Uppercase T for Tom has 5 pennies. Okay, who can tell me this word here that I circled? Can you tell me that word? Very good. It says has. Tom has 5 pennies. And I'll add has up here to our list as well. So let's look at our 2 new trick words. As, has. Let's talk about what makes them tricky. The A says that's normal. But the S, what does it sound like? As. It sounds like a Z. That's why as is tricky. Let's check with has. Ass. Has? No, it says has. So in both of these words, the S sounds like a Z. Why do you think they're on the same card together? As, has. Those words rhyme. Yeah, the only thing different is the H. The H sound is on the beginning of has. Very good. Okay, let's see here. Do you guys want to write these? Yeah, I thought you did. So you know what to do. Stand up, get your skywriting arm out, and let's start by doing as. Here we go. A, S, as. Take your finger, use it to write on the table. A, S, as. Let's do has now. H, A, S, has. H, A, S, has. Very nice, everybody. And the last thing we do when we have new trick words is we add them to our student notebooks. So you need to find the page with the A in the vocabulary. Wait a second, not the vocabulary section. After the vocabulary section come the trick words. You need to find the A and go ahead and add as. If you need more time, you can pause the screen here and take your time, write neatly. Make sure you're doing your A and your S correctly on those lines. And when you're finished, we'll go until we find the H so that we can add the next trick word, has. And H should go all the way up in the sky. It's a skyline letter. If you need, pause the screen right here to help you spell these right when you add them to your student notebook. Okay, my friends, great job with all your trick words today. Keep up the good work.